Hey guys, so can you just please stop? Today my sister Ow! Today my sister who just threw something at me is going to rate my fidgets and better not do that again. So you'll rate them something out of 10, okay? Camera actions. My butterfly dimple.
A 7 out of 10.
You're fine.
A 7 out of 10.
Okay, 7 out of 10. This purple poppet.
A 1 out of 10.
Why?
Because it's ugly.
See? What's this? It has letters. It has your ABCs and your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers on it.
A 5 out of 10.
Why?
Because it's kind of boring.
Marble mesh.
A 6 out of 10.
Okay. This dinosaur.
A 2 out of 10.
Why?
It's kind of boring.
DNA ball.
10 out of 10.
Why?
Because that's my favorite.
This globe that is now a nose.
You see? 10 out of 10.
Oh. This little thingy.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Rubik's Cube.
0.
Why?
Because it's hard.
No, it's not. 0. Boom. Pop tubes.
2 out of 10.
Why?
Because they're loud.
Because I broke it. Make a way through it. Wacky track. Ow.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Findy cube.
You see?
Great. I shouldn't have done that.
0.
Now I'm on my bed. Really? Does he get stuck up there? The snakes.
10 out of 10.
Okay. And this.
10 out of 10.
Okay. 10, 10. These mochis.
10 out of 10.
I thought you said you hate the feeling of it. Wacky. Monkey noodles.
0.
Why?
Because they're weird.
Disgusting.
0.
Why?
Because it's hard.
Disgusting! Pea popper.
10 out of 10.
What about this?
0.
A minus 100,999. You.
Have it? Can I see one? 10 out of 10.
Yeet. Really? Go and do that the whole time. Now, what do you rate this? Look, I'm gonna show you something, and then. Ow! Here. Fidget spinners.
2.
A minus 1.
Negative 1.
Negative. Fidget pad.
10 out of 10.
Okay, give me. Last one.
10 out of 10.
Okay. The end.